this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. Everything that you see, something I expect. And if I'm gonna take shots, if I'm in fall, forget it, I'll take a fast loss just to learn all the tickets. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, staying tall, but when did I ever back up? Now I'm in the thing, I'm regret it, I'm always learning. You can call me academic, I'm always working. Never been up, steady that energy, I'm like a good thing, and I'm septic. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.